Cold drinks are officially on the menu, and a Latte Shakerato is a creamy, refreshing twist on a classic iced latte. As with any coffee style, always use freshly roasted beans, which is essential for getting the full flavor potential. Select Latte Shakerato from the drinks menu. You'll see a handy recipe card that displays the recommended ingredients. After grinding, insert your portafilter into the group head. Using a Sage cocktail shaker is an ideal way to make an espresso martini. However, if you don't have one, start with a normal glass, placing it under the portafilter. Brew a double shot of espresso and wait for extraction to complete. If you're using a separate shaker, now is the time to transfer your espresso. Next, fill the shaker 3/4 full with ice. Add 80 ml of fresh milk, 10 ml of sugar syrup, and a pinch of salt. Secure the lid firmly and shake vigorously before serving into a glass with ice. Now, all you need to do is enjoy. Experience cafe-quality cold drinks made easy with Sage.